there. Welcome to More Zion Music, a platform where to react to Zion music. We break down the lyrics to try and get the message behind the song. And hey, mostly, man, we have fun. We know we give positive feedback. We also give positive criticism. We encourage other people, man. Basically, non-toxic Zion YouTube channel. What's up, bro? Need to see live. We are here, and people just don't get it. Yeah. So in Bethlehem. Remember we did a video in Bethlehem and hey, I was shocked. I was like, hey, yo. I'm like, mm, mm, Bethlehem. So we are back with another one. So we are reacting to Bethlehem Church in Zion. Oh, la moya wami. I mean for a treat. They shocked me the first time. I was shocked. I was like, wow. So honestly, I have no expectation, but I have expectations because it's Bethlehem. So, without wasting you guys' time, let's just dive right into it.
Oh, Baba.
I am so sorry, guys. Okay, although I may not be picking up what they're saying, what I am so taken aback is it's the attack of it, right? The spacious between a leader, not the whole choir, is insane. Like it's I'm chilling here right now, and I'm like, understand ukuthi ingoma ayikakayi kude, right? It's just they're still breaking the song down. Nobody should. I may not be able to hear my lyrics, but the singing, no man, Bethlehem, you guys, man, wow. That's why I'm still look. If Bethlehem is just it's one of those churches that when they sing, you want to be attentive and listen. Like not excuse me, how can I put this? It becomes too serious. It's like they know how to put the performance. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. Like you genuinely want to sit and listen because number one, Pega Pega the relationship between leader and the choir. Uzwe la first part ngena khona. Right? Lalela the way isifutho samba ngakhona uzwe itena mayibhek and then ibass ingena on top of that. You understand? Like they make you do this mobile. You don't know who's going to attack from where. That's what I'm trying to say. Oh my god. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Like you get that. You just never know you just never know, bruh.
Oh, Baba. Oh, what's this,
Yo, yo, yay, yay. Petalem inside, yay, yay, yay. Petalem, I still need my heart, ne? Yo. You know when they said Olamo, I don't know what happened. Angazi inhliziyo yami vele athi zoop. Ukuthi yep, I didn't know. Ivele athi zoop. Oh, Bethlehem. Hmm. Wow. Like, as Bethlehem is just for me, it's one of those churches where, and guys, you need to understand something. As much as I want you guys to listen to everything throughout, I can't do that. Phela mama sengenza kanjalo, so listening session phela ngisa-react phela manje. So you gotta understand ukuthi as much as I get hooked too, I have to come back and be like, yeah, react. So it happens a lot. Now when I'm about to call moya wami, I was like, no, and I have to come come back to my senses and be like, hey dog, yeah, react. Yeah, it happens. But you must be out of your mind. And I am loving the way I don't know how Bethlehem does this. If first party was not beyithulile for some time, right? Bekungena i-alto kakhulu. And then before they're about to stand, i-bass ingenile because it was alto and 10. I-bass iyangena. Now, out of nowhere, first part rises up. Ah, when I say to you, don't have expectation when you're listening to churches. Don't have expectation because, yay, you'll meet things like this. Because you ask me like that. In my head, I'm like, AP first part. Yeah, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Then I'm like, wait for it. And hey, wow.
Amulahlekelo okwasesfanile salusukela moya wami hola moya wami hola moya sopholisa wonke amanxeba akhona
First part.
ekeselelisibo moya noma kubuhlungu
Iphi le first part? Iphi? Ikuphi? So ingoma ithi kuyalahleka konke kusemhlabeni xola meya wami Jesu khona. My English viewers, the song says you lose a lot of materialistic things. You lose a lot of materialistic things, and my soul learn to accept it. My soul, please heal. My soul, calm down. Just know that Jesus is here. He'll never leave you alone. God will never forsake you. Right. And it's just one of those songs. It's just one of those songs that will make people cry. Like it's too touching because you go through things as a person. You lose stuff. Marriages fall apart. Your kids do wild stuff. Relationship fall apart. You lose your job. Break-ins happen. You just things just happen. And in most cases, when things do happen, as a person, you tend to lose sight sometimes. You tend to feel and think that maybe you cursed. You know, you tend to think and believe that what, maybe this life thing is not for me. Because you go through stuff, man. Those are the times where as a person you need to lock in. Those are the times as a person where you have to go back. Go back to God. Go back to Mvenqanga, uThixo, which whatever you do. Because remember that life has seasons. Winter is 4 weeks, is 4 months old. So it's one of the worst seasons. Most people don't like winter. Some people like winter. Some people like autumn. Some people hate autumn. But just as the year has 4 seasons, so is the life. So is life. So it's a very powerful song. It's a Very powerful song. You know, it's a song that speaks to your soul directly. That's why I said when they said, "Oh, Lamoya Wam," I don't know what happened. I just got hooked. Like if you go back to the part where they say "Oh, Lamoya Wam," dog, you would see my eyes just went like I froze for a second. I got goosebumps. Look, look, like it's insane, man. It's insane.
Eleselelisibo moya. Noma kubuhlungu noma kubuhlungu moya beleselelisibo.
Hi guys. You. Nah, if this song didn't touch you, I mean, man. Yeah, you know, he said, there's nothing more hurtful than thinking at a specific age in your life or at a specific time in your life you should have this, you must, and then you don't have none of those things. It hits hard, like it hits it hits hard, it hits so bad, like bruh. And sometimes we just need to talk about these things, you know. And one thing about me is that on this platform I will talk about majority of these things. Apart from reacting, it's very important, guys, that we don't just solidify ourselves ngokuthi God is there, but let's actually be there for people. Yeah, I understand. I don't like people moaning about, yeah, you must pray. Yeah. But at that time, prayer is not what I need. What I need is comfort. Yeah, I understand. Let's not forget Tuguti. There's a reason why there is people. Yeah, Ngithola? We can say yes, God is there. God may not be there here physically, but because that person came to you, that person is sent by God. That person was like, there is someone for me. That's why I all you have to do is just to comfort the person. I feel like that's also the things that we need to talk about. We need to talk about a lot of things. So that is why I need I'm not opening this platform for podcast now. No, no. But while maslalela ingoma and then siyakota the scripture, let's take that scripture and let's live with it. You understand how many people in the Bible went to other people for comfort? There's a lot of people. Even this day, it's the same thing needs to happen. Ungathi umuntu makathi, hey, no. Be there for a person. There's a reason why azaku. I understand. God brings a person to you, you turn them away, you say they must turn to God. There's a reason why they turn to God and they thought about you. There's a reason. Things don't just magically happen like that. I understand. And it's a very powerful song. It's a it's a very powerful. On a spiritual level, it's a very powerful song. But on a physical level, let's be there for each other, man. Let's honestly let's be there for each other. Let's love each other. Let's support each other. Let's not be there. Kuphela magumnandi. Even when things go bad, let's be there. For real, for real.
Akwenzeki ngokuthanda kwethu nangokufisa kwethu moya.
Nah, shout out to Bethlehem. Shout out to that song. Shout out to Bethlehem. Shout out for that song. That is a beautiful song. That is a powerful song. My apologies for that. Anywho, it's a powerful song, man. Like it's a powerful song. And and I mean, I am for black people outside from just religion and a lot of things. I always say we need to learn to be there for each other. We need to learn ukubambana. We always say ubuntu, ubuntu singumuntu ngabantu. But when it comes to things and when people need people, nobody's there. There's too much individualism when it comes to the Christian world, and I don't like that. There's too much. I will do it by myself. I will no, it does not work like that. It took two people to make a person. It will definitely take more than 100% to make you successful. It will definitely take more than 100% until you feel okay. I don't understand this thing of people thinking they can do things alone. No, black people, we can't do that. Me, nah, for sure. I've always said I can't do things by myself. I can't go through stuff. Yes, there are things that I have to go through as a person, but there are other things that you need because more pega, when you cook food, something as simple as ipapa. Ipapa can be ipapa by itself. It need heat and water. Nepoto. You understand? To make one thing, it needs three things. Four plus image meal. So what makes you think, Ugut, as a person, you can get it by yourself? It's virtually impossible. Unkulunkulu is not just this imaginary thing that people think it is. No, it's this and the next person. That is the God. Because Maktuas don't look at it good day from afar. Mm-mm. Look at your ancestors. Look at Baba Konoma Mak. They made you in there because you look like them. I am not trying to take it astray. I'm not trying to take away the spiritual context of that. No, 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 no. Don't take the spiritual context out of it. No. Keep the spiritual context. Take the physical attribution of the word. Take it and then put it and then see. Robert, you go and turn to Makelwan as much as you love yourself. They're not only talking about the physical Makelwan, which is the next person. They're also talking about the soul. Because remember, when you die, uphuma kusala in the flesh. Young tall. You get what I'm going with, where I'm going with this thing. So my point is, how on earth do you think things are gonna go well if you don't love the in you and the next person? Because the next person is a soul, because when they die, umzimba usasekhona, into engasekho inyama. That is the other friend who is accompanying the soul. So basically, you don't hate this. You hate the inside. So you hate yourself. You understand? You get where I'm going with this thing. And the fact that we need each other. Asiyeke lento yokuthi, yeah, I mean, I can do it by myself. Hey, I can do it. You never. You cannot. If it took two people to make a person, it will always take a village to raise a person. I don't care. So as black people, even as Christian, let's learn to love one another. Let's learn to support one another. Let's learn to be there. You cannot be everyone's favorite cup of tea, but whoever chooses to buy into your life, stick with that. Unfortunately, because when you hate the next person, you hate God, so you hate yourself. That's messed up. But anyway, that was a beautiful song. I didn't think good then go preach, but yeah, Sila. So if you haven't subscribed to YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like my videos. The more you guys like my videos, the more my videos can get around. And another thing, guys, in understand me also listening to the songs now vuselela umphefumulo wami kakhulu futhi le ngoma ingivuselele. I was having a bad day, like I was having a bad day, and listening to some of these songs nami as a person makes me go like understand. Now don't stay in for too long. Go outside sometimes, take a walk, visit people. I understand. So don't be a stranger to other people. So you're in the favorite word of the Jupiter. Adios.